fan of their products. Only the packaging. It's 2020, yeah. It's a year that you end up scrolling online, finding a lot of interesting things, and end up being broke. The noise outside. What was I talking about again? This isn't even a year, I'm just like... Anyways, because I really like Baroque, Lolita, Gothic, Victorian, Rococo style. And I found this brand. It's a Chinese brand. Flower Nose, Pretty Rock Baby. That's a really long name. I don't know. So the packaging really amazed me. I mean, look at this. I don't really want to open them because people say when you get older you tend to like shinier colors, which I felt like bullshit, but now I'm feeling like yeah, definitely. I don't really trust unboxing makeup and first impression. So what I bought are liquid lipstick and highlighter, but only a few of them make the packaging artistic. It's like I know there are beautiful brands out there and they have awesome quality. I don't want to use them because of their plain packagings. I cannot. I don't know, it's just a feeling. Maybe I'm superficial. Yes, I'm superficial. They say don't judge a book by its cover. But normally I judge books by their covers and the contents. Why do you choose one when you can have two? This is freaking beautiful. Oh my god. They deserve a small end. I don't really like tasting new makeup. I just want the packaging. As a decoration. Oh my god. I'm gonna actually cry. Oh. I can tell if it's vanilla or chocolate or caramel. It's not strong, but just a little bit. Anyway, I really hate lipstick with vanilla scents. It's just... or coconut. It just... So I only have clear lip balm on my lips. It's like a creamy texture, not sticky. Is it really ridiculous if I tell you that I didn't check the color? I told you. Maybe I should overdraw my upper lips. Like using matte lipstick. It was like popular trend. My dry lips couldn't handle it. I have some matte lipstick or liquid lipstick. When you are applying them, you know they're gonna suck all the water from your lips. This one, it feels alright. But I have trust issues with any matte product, so I would clean the product from this too. Hot water? It's so pretty. I just... Maybe I should buy a mini tiny spoon to... I don't know. It's just... what shit is this? BO3. Don't ask me about the quality because I'll only use this one time. Ooh, like... ooh. It's just like... this is so pretty! I have to grab my Anna Sui one. There was a little bit cold air going on. Like... clean something. The sand sprays a little bit. I didn't really enjoy that. Baroque style. But the central part, I was kind of disappointed when I got this because it's a sticker. It's a sticker. I don't want sticker. 3D. A little cross. Oh my god. Seriously? Change this. It's like it looks like it's not changeable. I'm gonna try this highlighter. They even have a little sticker on the mirror. How can I get this whole thing out of this case? I'm gonna use the clean brush to highlight my left face. I only applied Portugal from Tarte on here, here, and there. I'm gonna try this on my cupid's bow and the left face. I shouldn't ask too much, right? There's one angel's face is kind of ruined. Paint. Ew, it's kind of pretty, but just dry. It's not like metallic highlighter, it's more like a sparkly highlighter, which I don't really use. I already use a lot of sparkly eyeshadow to create fake tear bag. I personally enjoy metallic highlighter more. It's just like, look at that. It's just like, ooh, beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna try this. Wait, it rotates a little bit. So maybe I can remove the product by rotating it. It doesn't have only tiny teeny bit plastic smell. Probably from the case, I don't know. Just don't care. Why? Okay. Maybe use my finger. See? It's chunky! Ew. Oh, it's so dry. It's kind of cakey. It's like I'm telling people, hey, highlighter here. No, they can't even know your skin texture. I don't like that. I mean, this is unboxing. First impression. See my dry lips? It looks so good. If you see me in person, it's just cakey, chunky, and it's super dry. You will ask me, girl, why are you applying your highlighter like this? Try to find a way to enjoy your Christmas in 2020. I will find a way to enjoy my lonely Christmas. Yeah. Ah!